Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I'm getting another late start because today I had to go back to work. So I just got off of work a little bit ago, got home, and just took the dog outside at 6:45. So I have to cook something for dinner. I don't really feel like cooking, to be honest, but we had takeout yesterday, so I don't really want to get takeout again. I do have to go to the store later on to get a few things, and I'm gonna wait to go until after I cook dinner. I'm not really looking forward to it because it's cold, and once I'm home I like to just stay home. I need to go ahead and get started on dinner so that they're not eating super late. I'm really not that hungry because I ate my lunch at work pretty late. It was around like 4 o'clock, so I'm not really hungry. I'll probably just like grab some snacks from the store or something, but I need to make them some dinner, so I'm gonna do that really quick. You guys saw me cook in the last Vlogmas, so I'm going to skip past that. I will show you guys what I make, but if you guys want to see me cook dinner, or maybe I could do like a Vlogmas episode and show you just like a basic, realistic dinner for a family, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't always plan my meals. I just take something out of the freezer and hope that by the end of the day, I know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't like meal prep or meal plan. I wish I was that organized. I probably could be that organized if I really tried, but I'm just not. So let me get started on this dinner. So I made a very kid-friendly dinner: pork chops, applesauce, and rice. You excited?
Rice.
Oh, it's hot. You might want to blow on it. The kids are at home finishing up their dinner, and I decided to go ahead and run to the store real quick just to pick up a few things. It's been pretty cold here in Florida, and I wasn't prepared. And I need to get Carter a jacket because right now the jackets that he has are a little small, and the one that fits him like really good is just like a pullover sweater, and it's too thin. And this morning it was 37 degrees outside, so I really want to get him something that is a little bit thicker. I also need to get a few groceries. Carter has requested cheese pops, which are actually cheese puffs, but he calls them cheese pops, so he wants those. Jada wants Cool Ranch Doritos. I want to get some snacks and Ziploc bags, just like miscellaneous stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope these vlogs aren't boring, but I was gonna put in the description box of my last Vlogmas that like I really don't live a very like exciting life. I'm pretty basic, I'm pretty chill. I go to work, I come home, and that's it. So I can't like spruce up my vlogs any more than you know, what's actually going on in my real life. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. So Jada's school is having Polar Express Day, and she asked me to pick up some pajamas, and they have these really cute like Hogwarts ones. I wonder how much are these. Oh my god, they're only $10. I'm gonna see if I can find her size because I think she would like these, and they'll be super cozy. I have this one, which looks like it'll be her size. PJ set. That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna get her this. I'm gonna get her these instead, and if she doesn't like them, I'll come back and get these, I think. I also picked a loud cart, so that's annoying. If anybody asks, this is the best Ben & Jerry's flavor. It is so good. It's my favorite. I also found a jacket for Carter. I think this looks really cute, and I think he'll be so handsome in it, so I'm hoping that he likes it because he's very picky with his clothes. Funny story, I am actually wearing the pajamas that I bought for Jada. Yep, these are them. You may be asking yourself, why are you wearing pajamas that you bought for your 9-year-old? Well, I was in the women's section. I don't know what I was thinking, but this was definitely like for a grown woman, not a child. So when I was looking at the size, I was like, oh, I'm gonna get her a size bigger because that way it'll be like roomier, whatever. I got home, I told her to go try them on. She comes out, she didn't even have them on. So it's like, what's going on? And she's like, they're way too big. I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, they couldn't be that big. She's like, the pants fell down on me. And I was like, oh, that's weird. Then she brings me the pants. And I'm like, oh, it all made sense that I had bought an adult-sized pajama set. So, I got new pajamas. Everybody's in bed. It's 9:40. I should probably be laying down too. Actually, I need to start some laundry. But I'm going to clean up this kitchen and do a quick little clean with me. And then end this Vlogmas. So yeah.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. While we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.